Hi everybody, we're going to hit some minor chords. There's certain chords that don't fall into the, let's call it beginner format, where you learn to play all your stuff around here. You know, you learn to play your E minor, A minor, D minor. But all of a sudden now, hey, what happened to G minor? What happened to C minor, etc.? So we're going to have to forge ahead, and here's G minor. We're not going to do it as a bar chord. We're going to do it as a fingered chord where you're going to play, you could play 4 strings or you could play 5 strings. Whatever works for you. Okay, so here's the layout. You're going to use your pointer finger on the 3rd fret. Again, we're working on G minor. And in its simplest form, this is a G minor with 1 finger, just barring 3 strings, okay? Now to add a little more interest, you're going to take your ring finger and put it on fret 5 of the D string. So now I'm plucking 4 strings. If you want to make it a little bit more interesting, you can move your ring finger to fret 5 of the A string and put your pinky down where the ring finger was. So the pinky is going to go down on the D string, 5th fret. And now you can pluck 5 strings. Okay, and there you have a G minor. Hope that works for you.